Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the buzzer, the sound speaker on a Samsung Galaxy A26 5G phone. For this, we need a brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard, otherwise you will scratch your phone. We need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol so that it first softens the dirt and then evaporates. You can buy such a kit on Allegro or Amazon in a box like this, but if you don't have the option, you can use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard, because otherwise, as I said, you will scratch your phone. The phone must be turned off for cleaning. We never clean it while it's turned on. We dampen the brush thoroughly with alcohol so that it is wet. If you don't have a diffuser, just pour a little bit of alcohol into a small container and dip it in. The buzzer is right here. This is the opening, and we need to clean this opening. With a steady motion in one direction, we make 10 to 15 strokes to first soften the dirt and then to get it out of the buzzer opening. After 10 to 15 times, we switch to the other side and clean it, so that we clean the other side of the opening just as well. Next, we carefully make 5 to 10 gentle strokes towards the screen, and then we repeat the process towards the back cover, doing exactly the same 5 to 10 strokes. After that, we can repeat this entire action 2 or 3 more times in each direction to ensure thoroughness. If the buzzer happens to be very dirty, take your time to clean it perfectly, ensuring every crevice is spotless so that it functions just like new again. After the operation, we set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the isopropyl alcohol evaporates, and after that time, we can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.